course, I am very much for Duterte.
Mm-mm.
So, and siguro, hindi pa lang ako nakaka-start, but I really wanna focus my energy to campaign for him.
This is for free. This is voluntary.
Voluntary, because hindi ako kasi para sa akin, pag binayaran mo ko para ikampanya kita, sabihin ng binayaran mo yung
Prinsipyo.
pagkatao ko, yung prinsipyo ko, hindi ko kayang tanggapin yun. Because I will campaign for the person I want to win, di ba? Hindi dahil sa pera. So yes, I am for Duterte. My wife is for Duterte.
Why? The two of you is for are for the
Why?
third.
Because I feel his sincerity. And track record na lang. Track record na lang eh. Sobrang kampante ako dahil hindi lang siya puro pangako. Pero may mga nagawa na siya. Hindi siya trapo. Hindi siya nandito para magpapogi ng sarili niya. He really wants to help the people. I feel his sincerity. I feel his passion na ayusin talaga itong bansa natin. He may be a strong man, he may be that, but face it, that's what we need. Ang tigas ng ulo nating lahat. Diba? Sinasabi natin sa ibang bansa, ang mga Pilipino, kaya nila sumunod. Bakit sa sarili nating bansa, di tayo makasunod? Kasi walang strong man, walang leader na nagpapasunod. So ako, I believe that he is that. He is that leader that we all want or we all need. Hindi man all want, but what he's the leader that we all need.